It's a stampede! Stampede! Uh-oh, that one's gonna... Uh-oh, this guy's gonna plow into us.
Oh my god.
Don't take my picture. Uh-oh, don't hit my car. Uh-oh, no headbutting. No headbutting.
He's so close.
Oh, they're coming down the hill now.
That way too.
They're coming down the hill. They're gonna come in. They're gonna. Oh wow.
Before was the car deep fried.
I have never seen this here before. Guys on the motorcycle are like, okay, no, there's a little.
There's so many.
Uh-oh. This is totally cool.
Oh, he's coming.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Who wants an apple? Oh, I got an apple core for him. Oh yeah, they're still on the street.
I'm just so scared.
They're still on the street. He's gonna have to run through the car. Oh my god, a whole ton more are coming. Oh my god. I'm laughing if they don't hit the car. Who wants to ride one? Grab the calf when it comes by. Wow. Oh, there's some over there. Oh, you got me. Wow, look at that. That's cool. Stampede! Where's... Oh. Oh, he's got, what you call it? He's got a stamp on him. Somebody owns him. He's got the stamp on him. Wow. Isn't there a group? What's it called? The Stampede or
The Stampede.
Stampede. That was cool.